Navigating the rocky road to employment after incarceration, Toffi emerges as a beacon of hope. A Milwaukee-based talent recruitment firm, Toffi, formerly The Way Out, has dedicated itself to bridging the gap between those who have served time and are now seeking a fresh start and companies in need of skilled workers. Their mission? To forge strong connections between these individuals and thriving industries such as manufacturing, retail, hospitality, and landscaping. As a subscriber, you'll gain exclusive access to our insider content, which delves deeper into the issues that matter most to business leaders in Milwaukee and Southeast Wisconsin. Don't miss out on the opportunity to stay informed and support a cause that truly matters. Learn more and subscribe now. In the spirit of fostering dialogue, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you believe that companies have a responsibility to provide opportunities for formerly incarcerated individuals? Share your views in the comments below.